Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Live Life Gorgeous. Hello beautiful people, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing great, super great. Those ready to my channel, welcome everyone. This is me Snigdha. You're watching Live Life Gorgeous. Don't forget to subscribe before proceeding ahead. And those who are already a part of my YouTube family, thank you so much everyone. So today I am back with another vlog. This is gonna be which product? You got it already, right? Okay, so it's gonna be a lip product. So let's just see which brand it belongs. It's totally new brand as in not everyone knows about it. So yeah, we're gonna discuss about something new and so this is gonna be something new and the brand is totally different and everything. So we're just gonna see the formula is different and it's gonna be amazing product. So just stay tuned and let's just see. Ta-da! This is the Folklore and this is in a collection of velvety collection. This got many other also. I can show it over here. So yeah, and I got this PKO2 shade and this is amazing shade. We're gonna see. Okay, this is what the shade is. I mean, the shade is amazing. There's no doubt about it. But और भी इसके बहुत सारे features हैं. We'll discuss it later on. Yeah. So पहले हम इसका let's just check out the product. I mean, look at it. This is so beautiful. I'm in love with this. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही. I mean, इसकी ये एक कलेक्शन, ये तो मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया है. I mean, look at it. Oh my god. Seriously, आप clearly देख पा. I mean, you can see it clearly. This looks so amazing. I mean, हाथ में पकड़े ऐसा लग रहा है. It's, you know, filled with style, class, you know. I just love it. मैंने और भी lip shade, I got a lot of lip shades, but वो ऐसी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. This is totally different. And if we open it, this is amazing. Applicator is so smooth. I mean, like the shape is amazing that it can, you know, easily applicable. And yeah, we'll gonna ऐसा लगता है ये जब आप लगा लेते हो या you know ये सब हम चीजें देखेंगे. But आप इसकी you know how do you like the product and the material is amazing. और जब आप apply करते हो उसका तो अलग ही amazing. Let's just talk about its description and everything. So you know it is amazing. अगर आप एक you know जैसे अगर आप पूछो मुझसे ये इतनी स्मूथ है, इतनी स्मूथ और बस ये लग गई ना और ये वन स्वाइप में लगी है. मैंने इसे दोबारा नहीं लगाया. So look at the quantity and the pigmentation literally. और ये बिल्कुल हैवी नहीं लग रही है. ये प्रो ब्लर फॉर्मूला से बनी है. प्रो ब्लर फॉर्मूला. Okay, so let's just talk about its you know transferability. So it does transfer. If you cannot see, I mean, look at it here. It does get transferred, but I mean, if it is onto your lips, that's it. See, the basically thing is we already have lot of lip shades in the market, but वो same ही formula से बनी है, ठीक है? But इसका जब आप use करोगे, आप एक बार please use करके देखना. This is totally different than the others. Why? Because this is called not lip shade or anything. This is called lip cream, and it actually slides like a cream butter, you know. So I mean, I really recommend this. Yeah, and it will stay all day with you if you're not eating anything. Oh my god. Yeah, but you can keep it in your bag, of course. Yeah, you know, for touch up and everything. Okay, just kidding. If I tell you, you know, frankly, okay, so if I tell you in real, so yeah, I got a bit of disappointment, I can say, but not actually the disappointment because this is totally different formula. So the disappointment is that it won't stay long. अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा पानी पीते हो, चलो पानी पीने से तो इतना नहीं होगा, but yeah, if you're foodie, if you're having meal, you need to touch up again. So this is the one thing, but the formula is really amazing, and I don't think, and this is, you know, this what do I say? This offers style. This offers style onto your lips. You know, it enhances your beauty. It enhances the shine onto your face. And literally the pigmentation is super duper rich. So I will definitely going to recommend it. And it gives seamless blend of style and comfort. Amazing feel, you know. Just swipe my finger onto this. You can see. बट अगर आप इस पे यू नो ऐसे ऐसे इट फील सो स्मूथ, बहुत फाइन पार्टिकल्स है लाइक पाउडर्ड वन, और इतना स्मूथ फील हो रहा है, मतलब मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ. ओके सो या इट विल डेफिनेटली, अगर ये इतना स्मूथ है, इतना वैसा है, तो यू कैन अप्लाई ऑन टू योर चीक्स एज अ ब्लश. ओ माई गॉड, pigmentation तो amazing है, seriously. Okay, so let's just talk about its features. So yeah, so it is velvety texture. The cream formula of this, you know, gives you smooth lips, like literally, and creamy and smooth, you know. Why? Because creamy formula. So yeah, creamy and smooth lips, and you know, इतना lightweight feel होता है. आप अगर कोई भी lip shade लगाओगे तो बहुत lightweight, बहुत हैवी लगता है और बहुत ऐसे यू नो ऐसे बंद सा लगता है, बहुत हैवी फील होता है, राइट. बट इसे लगाने के बाद मैं सच्ची बोल रही हूँ, इट्स सो एयरी, इट्स सो लाइट वेटेड, आई कैन नॉट इवन एक्सप्लेन. इफ यू कैन हैव इट, यू कैन फील इट, सीरियसली एक्सपीरियंस दिस. एंड द थर्ड इज लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. सो यस, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग मैं बोलूंगी जब तक खाना नहीं खा रहे हो, अगर आपको जस्ट ऐसे अटेंड करना है कोई इवेंट और आपको जाना है, तो इट विल स्टे लाइक 4 to 5 hours. Yeah, and yes, definitely after meal you need to touch. You need to go for touch up, you know. So yeah, this is the fact. And yes, if somebody have the habit of, if you can see, you know, there's no filter onto this screen, so you can see. अब ये ऐसा फील हो रहा है, लिप टिंट जैसा फील हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत लाइट वेट लग रहा है, मुझे तो फील भी नहीं हो रहा, और ये इतना प्रो ब्लर जैसा है ना. सो या, आई कैन से, यू नो, यू हाईली रेकमेंड. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज मैट फिनिश, जो कि आप देख ही रहे हो, मैंने बता दिया है, प्रो ब्लर फॉर्मूला है. सो यस, क्रीमी है ना, प्रो ब्लर फॉर्मूला, सो मैट फिनिश दे रहा है, डेफिनेटली दे रहा है, ठीक है. एंड इट इज प्योरली वीगन एंड cruelty free, and it aims high quality product at accessible price point. And now let's just talk about the product. So this is Focallure and this belongs to China. Like this is made in China and ये वहीं का brand है, और ये nationally, you know, इसका बहुत hype है in terms of makeup, cosmetics. And this product offers lot of variety in cosmetics related to, you know, lip cream that we have it, like lip products, foundations, you know, because ये जो brand है ये top most है अपनी ही field में. So this belongs to China. I already told you, you know, the country of origin is China. So yeah, I had a great experience with this and I would definitely recommend this to you all. And yes, how I forget to mention the ingredients. So these are the ingredients, and you know, the price is this. So yeah, you can go. I just bought it from Nykaa as my favorite website, but और भी वेबसाइट की लिंक मैं मेंशन कर दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में. यू कैन गो एंड गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट. और सेल्स तो अब चल ही रही हैं, सो यू कैन एंजॉय दिस एंड यू नो, just do get benefited by those sales, you know. So this is quite it about the product. I hope you like the video. I just had amazing experience with this product and I'm hoping the same with you guys also. So do let me know in the comment box अगर आपने ये मेरी recommendation से लिया है और आपका experience कैसा रहा है. See, ये lip tint की तरह काम कर रहा है but in a matte way. You know, और भी इसमें बहुत सारे कलेक्शन हैं. You can go and explore that. अगर मैं और भी लूंगी तो definitely going to do the review of that. So just stay tuned, and for that you need to subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel, and if you are already a part of it, firstly like that. Secondly, just comment anything, and thirdly just share it ahead also. अगर किसी को you know जरूरत है, फ्रेंड्स, आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो. किसी को अगर आपकी फैमिली में शौक है कॉस्मेटिक्स का, तो जस्ट डू शेयर इट, बिकॉज ये जो है बहुत अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट है एंड आई डोंट वांट कोई भी मिस आउट करे. So yeah, this is me, Snigdha, signing out for now. See you with the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone. Take care.